Well, usually when we type in Microsoft Word and we set our writing to be aligned left and right, sometimes we get a line that has a gap between words. Maybe you are confused about how to make the gap between the gaps normal again. To make the gaps normal again, the method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to get the answer. There are several ways to make some of the words or writing close together. The first way, you can change the font size. The method is to select the paragraph that has loose writing. Then go to the Home menu, then change the font size. Usually a smaller font size will make the spacing of the writing not loose anymore. If this does not work, or our writing is required to have a font size that is not smaller, we use the second method. For the second method, we can also improve this writing by changing the font shape. Because each font shape has a different font size, some are large, some are small, some are a bit loose. The method is to change the shape of the writing in the Home menu. It is located next to where we change the font size. If this second method still doesn't work, because we are not allowed to change the shape of the writing, we use the third method. The third method is to select all the writing first, then right-click the mouse, then select the font. After that, a new font window will appear, then select Advanced. Well, here we change the spacing from normal to condensed. In the preview display, you can see the writing starting to narrow the distance between words. After that, select OK to save the settings, and you can see the results. How are you? Easy, right? Hopefully the tutorial above can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.